All right, so we have minus 2x plus 3y plus 4x. So what we have to do, group the like terms, right? So minus 2x plus 4x. So notice we bring all the x terms together plus 3y. And then now we can apply our knowledge from integers, right? One is negative, one is positive. It's basically the same thing. Just have to include algebra, but it's basically the same thing. So of course, we have two positive. So this will be positive 2x. There's no other term to add with the y, right? So this will be 2x plus 3y. And this will be our answer. Notice we cannot add 2x and 3y because they are unlike terms. So we cannot add or subtract unlike terms, only like terms. And like terms mean the same letters or symbol. For example, A and A, they are like terms, right? So we can add 3A and 3A. Yeah, bro. Go on, bro. All right. So we have minus 5x, minus 5y rather, plus 3x. So remember what we said, we have to group the like term. But guess what, guys? They are already grouped. So we just put back the 5y, and then we do this. 3x minus 2x, that's positive 2x. Pretty straightforward, right? This is more challenging. Try this one. 7a plus 3b minus 9a plus 2b. Asia, so look, we have to pay close attention to the letters meaning the like terms. So first, we're going to be grouping the like terms. So you see all of the A's, you're going to group them. So you're going to rewrite it. So you have 7A along with the sign in front of it. Because this is minus 9A, you put minus 9A. And of course, plus 3B. And because this is you put that. If you want, you can use a bracket to separate them. See it? You have all your A's together. If you have 7A minus 9A, remember, guys, you can use, that's why I go through this video. Positive 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Negative 9, right? Always go back to this. If you understand integer, you're going to get a straight A in maths. So this will be negative 2A. Both of them positive. Don't take a little something here for granted, guys. Yeah, Deandra. Deandra Cole, correct. Don't take the little something here for granted. Both of them negative, we add. All positive. So you get positive 5B. I see some people write it like this. You're also correct. 5B minus 2A. It's the same thing. As long as the negative is in front of it, about 70% of the class got it correct, guys. We have to improve on that, all right? Let's go, let's go. So make a note of this, and then we're going to do one more. All right, so we group them based on letters. So Z go with Z. But remember, you have to put the sign that is in front of it as well. So like we have positive 7Z with minus 2Z plus 3Y. So we plus 3Y and of course plus 8Y. These are the like terms. So we have we Z them together and we Y together. 7 take away 2, 5. After be positive. And positive 3, somebody said 3 plus 8, that's 11. And that's your answer. Notice you cannot add the 5 and the 11 because one is Z and one is Y. We do not add or subtract unlike terms. However, we can multiply them. So further on in the class, I will show you guys how to multiply them and divide. But we have to master this first, all right? Very important. Let's do another. So minus 8C plus 5B minus 2C minus 6B. So we group in the same letters. So we have minus 8C. Notice I put minus 8C. All I did, I'm just grouping the like terms. Plus 5B minus 6B. I didn't do anything, except just group them. I put all my C's together along with the sign that is in front of it. Very simple. Now, both of them are negative. If you go back to this, guys, you cannot get it wrong. Do not pass the basic step. Don't try to run before you creep. Creep first. Do it in stages. Do this until you figure it out. All right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All the persons who do this, I see them get it correct. That's an indication. All right? And then, of course, we have two negatives. Now, when we have all negatives, we just add and keep the negative, right? Because only a positive can cancel a negative. So if you have 8 negative and you get 2 more negative, you have 10 negative in all. So that's negative 10C. And I realize some people take this as 66. It's actually 6B. Now me I understand. I guess because it's space here, juggle up. Alright, this one now, positive 5. Guys, just do the basic things. Positive 5, negative 6. It's very simple. Do this until you see the pattern. So this is the minus 1b, or some of you put just minus b, that's fine as well. Alright? But just do the simple things right with maths. Don't try to complicate it. Do them simple something here, and you get it. Alright? Somebody say, how is it 10c? Alright. If you have negative 8 and you get negative 2, how many that? 8 and 2 make how many? 8, 9, 10. I got 10. I'm not sure. Alright. Let's do another. I'm just keeping it at 4, you know, guys. We're not complicating it as yet. So 8x plus 5y minus 10x minus 9y. Alright, guys. You know, we have to take some of those calls because they're important. So we group them by letters. So we know that 8x is going to match with minus 10x. You have to see it as the sign in front of it. Don't just see it as 10x, right? It's minus 10x. This is a plus 5y, so you put plus 5y. This is a minus 9y, you put a minus 9y. If you wish, you can bracket off the x terms then. Bracket off your y terms, alright? Make it easier for you. Remember now, guys, everything is just, you are trying to make it easier for you. The 8 is positive, the 10 is negative. It means that we cannot add it and get 18. Alright? It simply means that 8 positive if I do these basic stuff until you get it, then it becomes so easy for you. Do not complicate your life, guys. Most people fail, guess what? They fail at the basic things. Alright? Somebody I get fired from work and office some great things, you know. Like them always late. Them basic little something. You just wake up early, go to work. Alright. This now we have positive 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 9 negative. You can actually start see it after a while, guys. Very easy. You know that the one with the bigger, I go always lead because you gotta have more of them. You have 9 of this, and you gonna have 5 of that. That means say, how many leave? No, 4. But they are negative. So this is minus 5y. Some persons write it like this. This is also correct. Minus 2x plus minus 4y. This is also correct, guys. So those persons, yes, you're correct as well. Good job. All right. Let's do another. So we have minus 6x plus 5y minus 3x minus 6y. The sign, very important. So we have minus 6x minus 3x plus 5y minus 6y. Let us look at the x. Both negative. When both negative, what do we do? So we have 6 negative, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 3 negative. When they're all negative, we add, keep the sign. Very simple. So that's minus 9x. All right, one positive, one negative. What do we do when one is positive and one is negative? The rule is simple. We subtract because each positive will cancel a negative. So all we do, we cancel them out. How many leave? 1. So you add minus 9x plus minus 1y, that is also correct. Alright, or if you have minus 9x plus minus y, that is also correct. Once y by itself, it is understood that there's a 1 in front of it. Alright? Guys, the last one on this. Alright. So we have minus 8d minus 9d. Both of them negative. Minus 2e minus 3e. Both negative. When both negative, we add. Keep the sign. So that's minus 17 minus 5e. And that would be our answer. It makes sense when you draw 18th something I know. Alright. Alright guys, let us dive into something else. We have about 30 minutes left to class. And I'm going to show you we cannot add or subtract like terms. However, we can multiply them. Right, so it's multiplying like and unlike terms. So like when they are the same letters. So while we cannot add and subtract unlike terms, we actually can multiply them. We can also multiply like terms. For example, a times a would be a squared. Alright, what happened? Both terms are the same, so we add the powers. I'm going to show you guys that. It's called the law of indices. And of course, the law of indices intertwine with algebra. So it have a lot of, so it's like two topics in one. Alright, so let me show you something. It's A1 times A1. So when the base is the same, meaning this, we add the power. So 1 plus 1 to give us A2. Alright. Alright, what about if we have AB, A times B? Now, we cannot add or subtract unlike terms, but we can multiply them. Hey, we can call it back. So that'll be A times. So A times, hello? So A times B would be AB. That's simple that. That's our answer. I'm going to show you some more complex one involved that. All right, so AB times A. What you guys think that would be? Anyone with any idea? Let me your opinion of you guys. What you guys think? AB times A. Based on what we do. Any ideas? Somebody say ABA. Somebody say ABA. All right, fair enough.
A square plus B.
I agree with that. Well, plus B, it wouldn't be plus B.
A square B.
A square B, yeah, that is it. Because just think of it, you're multiplying A times B. But remember, here we said that A times A is what? A square. And of course, A times B is AB, so that would be our answer. Alright, these are just some examples, guys. Because my aim is to make you guys be the best in the Caribbean. Because I get you from a young age, we can build you. Alright? So just work with it, guys. It's not gonna be easy, but just work with the program. Alright? Let me show you some more. So go ahead and take down that. So A times A is A square. Show you that. Same base. I'm gonna show you that as well, guys. Yeah, Deandra. Yeah, man, we love that. So you got it. So you understand, guys? And then A times B is AB. And of course, if you have like AB times A, that's A squared B. And I'm going to show you now with some letters and numbers. So it's a mixture. And these we can multiply unlike terms, also like terms. Just that we cannot add or subtract them. All right? Because they are different, we can't subtract them. We don't know what they are, but we can multiply them. All right, let's look at a scenario. Let's say we have 3A times 4B. What you guys think will be the answer for that? Look at it carefully. 3A times 4B. Anyone? You're in an
12B.
exam. 12?
AB.
Yeah, very good. Maths is not hard, guys. You just need somebody to have patience with you. So 3 times 4, that's 12. We already established that A times B is AB. Yeah, okay, you're correct. Guys, I can't say it out, you don't have to text me because I'm not made to text now. Alright, so that'll be 3 times 4, which is 12AB. Very good. Alright, different scenario. Let's say, put a code that one here. And then I'll give you guys some to try. We have 25 minutes, we can utilize it, alright? Let's say we add this. Six A times 3AB. What you guys think would be the answer?
18 is square B.
Very good. So you have the 3 times, you see how much easy, guys? 3 times 6. A times A. Okay, I group the A's then, right? So 3 sixes, 18. A times A squared. And of course, B. I'm going to show you guys the laws of indices because we have 2 months of summer school, right? So I'm going to show you the law of indices as well. Like when we're dividing, what do we do and so forth, all right? Big league, we are going on, guys. Big league. All right, so go ahead and take down that, and then I'm going to give you guys some to try. Right? So it's 7 times 4 times A times B. 7 4 is 28, and then AB. Very simple. I'm going to make it a little bit more complex, all right? You know how some style go. So we have 2x to the second times 3y. I'm going to start it that way. Go ahead and try that one, guys. Very impressive. That one was really good. Good job, guys. Good job. Aisha, let me check out yours before me. Look for it. Yeah, Tejon. All right, Alison. Good job as well. Yeah, we did very well on this one, guys. Very good. So, guys, we're gonna only do one. Correct, Nathan. So it's 2 times 3. Don't complicate it, right? Times x squared times y. 2, 3, 6. Put back with x squared and with y. That's it. All right. This one is gonna be the most challenging one for today. This one is actually a CXC past paper. All right. Or should I make it harder than the past paper? I'm gonna make it. So 2x to the third times 4x squared. Guys, we're gonna end on this note. Time flies when we're having fun, eh? Just like that, 2 hours fly past. It was good though. Please review the integers. If you were not here last week, it's on YouTube. Look at that video, alright? We didn't record everything because you know it already. But look at what we did, alright? And then next week, good job, Alyssa Allen. Next week now, we will continue with this. And as I said, I'm going to teach you guys the laws of indices and so forth. Alright? I'm incorrect. I got from Malika, Allison, Akeelia, Tejon, Malik, Sanaya, Rangyu, Amaya, Nathan, Kyle, Carissa. Donna seems to delete hers. Let me see what I go on this one. Oh, she did say thank you. She got it correct as well. Tavoy, Deandra, Asia, and that's it. And Donna. Very good, Donna. You guys did well. What that show you guys? This is a CXC past paper. And you can be doing past papers from grade 7 and 8 and so forth. That will show you say if you continue on this part, you're gonna do well in CXC. Just don't follow no company and get complacent, alright? That can happen, guys. Alright. What I love, you guys remembered that you should add the powers here. And nobody never has say x to the 6. Alright, that was good. So 2 times 4 is 8. And we add the powers. Alright, so very good. And we're gonna end on that note. I'll see you guys next week, alright? Take care. You guys are awesome. So guys, just review everything what we do for the 2 weeks. You know we are sleeping night, even though we're summer school. We are go hard, we are gonna go hard. So make sure so everybody practice and know everything what we do this week and last week. So when we come back next week, we just have move forward. We just have progress. And we don't want to put a limit on our learning because of summer school. We say we are easy, but we got hard and done. Your parents invest a lot in you, so we have to put in the work. All right. Remember, everyone here, you can do the City and Guild Stage 3 exam. Everyone here. I have someone in grade 8 that I'm recommending for CXC because he's awesome. He's here. So I'm going to text him about that again. All right. So Stage 3, City and Guilds as well. And those of you who are in grade 7, and if you pass the City and Guilds and you want to challenge the CXC next year, you will be allowed to do so, all right? So take care till next week, guys, all right? Great job, great job. I enjoyed class.
Bye, sir.
Bye, take care.
Bye, sir.
Awesome, bye. All right, take care.
Bye, sir.
Bye, take care. See you next
Bye,
week.
sir.
Bye, take care. See you next week. Great job today. All right, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, great
Bye,
job.
sir.
Bye, take care. Today was really good. All right, let me stop the recording and then I'll just post this on YouTube, guys.